Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy, and it is that time to cook, and I am excited because I'm making comfort food today. Yeah, this is definitely one of those delicious, comforting dishes. Yeah, I'm making Amish chicken and noodles. Tender chicken, thick Amish noodle, and a delicious creamy sauce. Now this is not to be confused with chicken and noodle soup. This is not a soup, it's Amish chicken and noodles. Yeah, it is just amazing. It's very easy to make. I've got my ingredients out here on my counter, so let me show you those and I'll show you just how to make it. So I will be using the boneless, skinless chicken thighs. That's my favorite. Now you can actually use a whole chicken. You cook it and then you just pull the meat off the bone. Or you can use chicken breasts, chicken tenderloins, whatever you want. I just like to use the chicken thighs. Now you also need 2 tablespoons of butter. This is 1 stalk of celery chopped, half of an onion chopped, some salt and pepper. I like to use 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. I just love thyme, it's my favorite. It's optional though, you don't have to use that. 4 cups of chicken broth and 1 can of cream of chicken soup. And then the star of this dish is the Amish noodles. Now you can find this in your grocery store. I've seen them in Walmart. I've seen them in other grocery stores. I got these in Amish country. It's just a thick egg noodle. And you'll definitely want to use them because this is what makes the dish so yummy. I am using a oval enamel coated cast iron pot, but you could use any pot you want. To this pot, I'm going to add my 2 tablespoons of butter. All right, so my butter is melted. Now I'm going to add my celery, and I'm also going to add my onion. And I'm just going to let these cook for a couple minutes until they become tender and the onions are translucent. All right, so my onions and celery are looking good. Now I'm going to add my chicken. I'm going to place my chicken in the pot. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and give a good pinch of salt, or a couple pinches of salt. And I'm also gonna add a pinch of black pepper and my 1 teaspoon of thyme. And then I'm going to add in my chicken's broth. And then I'm gonna cover this and I'm gonna let this cook for about 15 to 20 minutes until the chicken is nice and tender. All right, so it's been 20 minutes. Now what I'm going to do is remove the chicken and place it on a plate. And I'm going to add a couple more cups of water. All right, so then I'm going to add my noodles, and this is just a little over a pound of the Amish noodles. All right, so I'm going to let these noodles cook in this broth. If you feel like you need more water, you can always add a little bit more. All right, using 2 forks, I'm shredding the chicken while my noodles are cooking. All right, my noodles are looking good. They look done. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this shredded chicken back into my noodles. And I'm going to add the 1 can of cream of chicken soup. All right, I'm going to give it a stir. So these Amish chicken and noodles are done. I cannot wait to have a bite. If you ever do go to an Amish restaurant, they will serve these on a mound of mashed potatoes. It's like a carbohydrate overload. I'm just serving them alongside some green beans. Oh my goodness, here goes guys. Yum. These noodles are so thick and so hearty. I'll try to do this without making a huge mess. Wow. Oh, they're so good. All right, I gotta stop for now so that I can say thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes. Okay, now I can have another bite. Food. Oh, I'm making Amish chicken noodles. Comfort food. This is so delicious. Kitchen. And welcome to my kitchen. Oh, here it is. Well, hello there, everyone. I've got gnats. Gnats are flying around in my kitchen today. They're driving me crazy. All right, 15 minutes later, I'm still working on my intro. All right, how hard is it to say?